Hello everyone, today we are going to Fiddle. It is considered one of the UK's most dangerous roads, and it is full of speed cameras because of that, so hopefully it is as good as they say. So you join me somewhere near Fiddle. I have finished the pass, but sadly most of it was closed due to roadworks. These things happen sometimes, especially in the UK where roadworks are a typical thing. So it is the next day and Waze decided to update and say that A537, which is Fiddle, is closed. It didn't say that yesterday, so that is why I went there. In case you want to drive Fiddle, it connects Buxton to Macclesfield, so you just basically take the A537 from Buxton to Macclesfield and you will drive Fiddle. This was a bit of a failure, but it was still a nice trip and the views were still nice, as you can see behind me. So thank you for watching and see you on the next one.